Hi, my name is Marcella Szablewicz, and I am a PhD candidate in Communication and Rhetoric at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. My article is entitled The Ill Effects of Opium for the Spirit, a Critical Cultural Analysis of China's Internet Addiction Moral Panic. It is published in the December 2010 issue of the Chinese Journal of Communication. Today, I'd like to take a moment to introduce the article to you. A search of a Chinese media database revealed that in 2009, there were over 7,000 mentions of internet addiction in the Chinese press. Compare this to hits for the term drug addiction, alcoholism, and gambling addiction, and it is easy to see that internet addiction is reported with much greater frequency. Indeed, the concern about internet gaming, internet cafes, and internet addiction in the Chinese press has been called a moral panic by many respected scholars, including Alex Golub and Kate Lingley of the University of Hawaii, MIT media scholar Henry Jenkins, and communications scholar Jack Chiu of the Chinese University of Hong Kong. But what does it really mean to call something a moral panic? In my paper, I engage with moral panic theory from the British and American schools of cultural studies. In addition to comparing the Chinese situation to other crises over youth and technology, I also discuss the uniquely Chinese attributes of the case. I show that an emphasis on moral culture in China provides a particularly fertile breeding ground for panics of this sort. Furthermore, the media, in calling internet games quote-unquote opium for the spirit, actually references other distinct crises over youth, westernization, and morality in China's past, thus situating these contemporary problems within an extended narrative about the struggle to establish a civilized but uniquely Chinese modern state. I go on to analyze the various actors involved in the creation and development of the moral panic, revealing the power dynamics and class issues that lie hidden within the discourse. Finally, I discuss the impact of the new media and the material consequences of the panic. I encourage you to read my article, but if you'd also like to learn more about my research, please visit my website, www.feiyaowan.com. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks very much for listening, and I hope you check out the new issue of the Chinese Journal of Communication.